Sometimes the future is most clearly seen in the rear view. In 2021, we rose to the challenge, coming back faster. We collaborated. We never lost sight of our goals. We rallied around community. We empowered people. We forged new friendships. We celebrated our successes. We honed skills and sharpened talents. We made art and expressed our passion. We embraced our past and our future. We built. So, what do the events in our rear view tell us about the road ahead? Buckle up and bring on 2022.